cookies with? Chef Cookie Monster or Chef Elmo?
Yeah. Okay, who do you want to make cookies with?
Tap who you want to make cookies with. Chef Cookie Monster or Chef Elmo? Great! Let's get started! First, Chef Elmo will spread out the dough. Now, choose one of the letters and drag it to A, like in A. E. Let's add icing and topping. Oh, wow! Chef Elmo thinks that looks good. Elmo loves that there are so many different toppings to choose from. Ooh, nice choice, Chef. Do you want to try more toppings? Do you want to try more toppings? Okay, Chef, now here's the best part. Elmo can't wait to share our cookie yard. Ta-da! Behold, our cookie creations! Tap the cookies to eat them yourself, or drag them.
Oh, this cookie should be hanging in museum. Or me tummy. Nom, nom, nom.
Thank you, Chef. Oh, Elmo's gonna eat this cookie like Cookie Monster.
Wow, you good. Cookie. This cookie is exceptional. Nom, nom, nom.
Oh, thank you, Chef. Oh, Elmo's gonna save this cookie to share with his good friend, Abby.
Oh, this one very special.
Ooh.
Me like the topping detail. You know it all in the detail. Nom, nom, nom. Oh, thank you, little chef. Now we make more cookies.